Welcome. I'm so pleased to talk to you about earning money online with LiveGood's compensation plan. Offers you residual income and passive income. There's 6 ways to earn, but we're going to focus on the matrix and the magic of the matrix. I hope you'll stay with me so that you can see throughout this video all the information that's going to help you understand how this matrix is truly magic. My name is Ellen McShane, and I'm just so happy to be with you today. But first, I want you to understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not represent LiveGood. I'm an affiliate like anyone else that's a part of LiveGood. And I am going to just present to you some information so that you understand the compensation plan. But none of the figures are going to be giving you any guarantees of what you can earn, because everyone works differently. Everyone puts in more effort or less effort. So it's up to you how much you can earn from this amazing compensation plan. So let's talk about the matrix. The matrix is an opportunity to make passive income or residual income. So when you are recruiting people, the matrix begins to fill up. It's a 2x15 level matrix. So at your level 2, there are 2 people. Then 3, there are 4 people. Then there are 8 people, 16, 32, 64, all the way down to 15 levels. And as I said, you are recruiting people, your matrix fills up. But the magic of it all is that the people above you, if you join my team, I would be recruiting for you, and people above me are recruiting for all of us. And so that matrix fills up from people above you who are recruiting for you. And slowly or quickly, depending on how quickly you're recruiting, this matrix fills up. So the magic and the beauty of the passive side is that you could not choose to not recruit anyone, and you still are going to be eligible to earn. So you can earn on a track where you're not recruiting anyone up to $2,047.80 a month. Now, how amazing is that? But let's look at what your investment would be for that. Because with LiveGood, you are signing on for $9.95 a month for a monthly subscription fee. And you did pay a one-time affiliate fee of $40, but it's a lifetime fee. You'll never have another fee for it being an affiliate. And so if you, let's say it's a little slow in doing it passively where no one is being recruited, but let's say it takes you 2 years to get up to your $2,000 a month. That investment is about $238 for those 2 years. You add on another $40 for the affiliate fee that you paid, so you've spent about $278 in order to receive $2,000 a month. Now, who wouldn't accept that, right? It's a good investment for getting that every month, month after month, totally passive. But if you decide to start recruiting it and bringing in people to LiveGood, and why not? Because everyone can benefit from what LiveGood offers. So why not share it with people? So you bring in 2 to 10 people, and you can begin to earn up to $4,000 a month. What's wrong with that, right? 2 people. You help them find 2 people, and the magic just happens, and you get there faster than you would if you were sitting and being passive. Because with that investment of the same amount of money, $278 for 2 years, you're going to get there faster. And remember, you're earning along the way. You're going to be making over $4,000 a month. Now, if you can, at that level, you are looking at being a bronze rank with 2 people and a silver rank with 10 people. But there are other ways that you can make that rank. But we'll get into that another time. But let's say you're able to recruit 30 to 100 people, and you suddenly become gold and platinum. Well, at that level, you're still investing the $278 for the 2 years, but now you're earning $8,000, over $8,000 a month. Amazing. And if you're able to get to diamond, you're making $16,000 a month. So this is a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you join LiveGood and take advantage of just this one way that you can make money from the 6 methods offered to you on the compensation plan? So remember, there's no authorship. You get access to wholesale pricing on, right now, health and wellness products, but that product line is going to expand exponentially as we grow. So remember, you don't have to shop for any monthly auto ship products that are going to cost you so much money. You only shop when you want. And you always know that this is a business opportunity that gives you payment off of your $9.95 subscription that you're paying every month. So get back to the person that sent you this video, or sign up on my link associated with this video and join our team, because together we're going to go out there and change the world and give people the ability to earn money and then take care of their health, and to have wholesale pricing and to shop whenever they want. No other effort to control our pocketbooks or to make it difficult for us to participate or to succeed. So thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you.